Are you ready? Because in this video, we're going to go over the best soprano ukulele on the market. That's right. I said it. Yes, let's do this. KoAloha KSO-10S right here, Spruce top. You're going to be blown away. All right, so welcome to ukelikethepros. I'm Terry Carter. I appreciate you being here, and thanks for subscribing to the channel, turning that bell notification. So I was checking out my store. What store is that? The number one store online, store.ukelikethepros.com. And I was checking out the pages for this right here, the KoAloha KSO-10S, and I realized there was not a video for it. And I'm like, wait, what? I've done how many review videos? Hundreds. And I didn't have a review video for this. I did finding one, but like, I don't know, my energy was really low. I don't even know when I did it, but I was like, you know what? This one needs a new one. So we're going to do it right now. This is the Spruce top KoAloha Opio. These things are amazing. I think they get overlooked a lot because of this plain top here. It doesn't like pop like a koa would, like acacia would. So they get overlooked, but people don't realize how amazing they sound. So on this one, we're going to go over all the specs. I'm going to do some playing. Going to talk to you about why spruce top is such a great wood to use. And then, yeah. So I probably got some more stuff too, but let's just dive into it. All right, you know how I like to play around with the blues. Just trying to throw in a little chords and some finger picking as well. Matter of fact, we'll do another finger picking in a second. But this is it. Solid spruce top. So again, this is what I was saying earlier. It's the real kind of a plain looking Eagleman spruce. But I like it. I mean, I think you want that real plain Eagleman spruce. I think it looks really clean. I love that. Again, this is a soprano size. If I didn't mention that, little tiny thing. By the way, this one is mine. This one does have a pickup in it. They do not come with pickups, okay? But I'm going to talk about an upgraded tuner too you can use in a second. But anyway, this is mine. So that's how much I like these things, that this one is actually mine. Actually, my wife will say it's hers because this is the one that she practices on, but I love this little thing. All right, so you got the solid spruce top here. You got the solid acacia sides and back. And check this out. This is really, really great. And acacia wood, if you don't know, is part of the koa family. It's just grown outside of the islands. And so you got a really great little instrument here. You got a lot of sound. It's loud, but it's also fairly warm considering, one, it's a soprano. Two, you have a high G on this. So really a great sound, lots of projection and full sound for a little soprano. So let's go over the other things. I'll do some more playing, then I'll go over the other parts. By the way, this does have a lifetime warranty from KoAloha. So that's how much they believe in their Opio series, which is made in Thailand. That's how much they believe in them. They still give them the lifetime warranty. All right, let's do some finger picking. High G sounds really good as well. Now, these come with a solid mahogany neck. These are just some KoAloha tuners. Now, people, they kind of bag on these tuners. I actually don't think they're that bad. Sometimes they slip, but if they slip, all you got to do is grab a screwdriver and tighten these tuners up a little bit. Yes, they're not the greatest. Could they improve? Yes. Are they going to improve? They are going to improve once they kind of get rid of these ones. They are going to go to something different, but I think they have a lot of them that they're going to get rid of. But anyway, I think they're actually pretty good tuners. But if you want to upgrade, this is a great choice right here. This is the Gota, what is this exactly? The UBB UPTL. So the L means long in this name. So anyway, these are all black. These are the ones I like. These are a great addition for these. We got to ream out the hole a little bit, but I offer these at where, you know where it is, store.ukelikethepros.com. If you want to upgrade to these, you can go ahead and click on that. So anyway, these are great tuners. Now, you do have the KoAloha headstock. You have 1 3/8 inches width here at the nut. And then overall scale lengths, again, that's from the inside of the nut to the inside of the saddle. That's the official place that you measure. I learned that from Pepe Romero Jr., my buddy here in San Diego as well. Pepe Romero Jr., to be exact. But anyway, 14-inch scale lengths here. And of course, you still have the Masabi sound hole. And then if you want to pick up, this is just an LR Baggs 5.0, those are easy to install as well. So anyway, these are fantastic instruments. They come in soprano, concert, and tenor with the Spruce top. And again, don't overlook the Spruce. Don't overlook, it's kind of plain, I understand that, but the sound, this is what, if you ask any builder, if they had their choice of tops, it would always be Spruce top. You can't beat the projection and the sound of these. So anyway, this is, again, it's a KoAloha KSO-10S. This is their Opio version, but again, you do get the lifetime warranty. It is all solid wood, and it's by far one of the best soprano ukuleles on the market. I know I said it's the best, and I would say it is the best for anything that is, not all koa wood. I love koa wood, but for the price, for the quality, for the lifetime warranty, for the KoAloha, it is the best ukulele, soprano ukulele on the market. So thanks for being here. I appreciate you subscribing. Leave a message. What is that? Leave a comment below if you have one of these, you like one of these. Maybe you have the all Acacia one. They have all Acacia ones as well. Also, smash that like button. That's a hit term these days for this. But anyway, I learned that from all the younger kids on YouTube. But smash that like button. But anyway, I appreciate you being here. Again, store.ukelikethepros.com for all your ukulele needs. And that's going to do it. We'll see you next time.